Good morning, ladies and gents. This morning we're going to try and finish some of this here stuff. We're going to go ahead and put the holes in there. It's kind of slippery, but we're going to do it anyway. Okay, we got the holes in there. I use these two tools right here to do them holes. It works out pretty good. Now we're fixing to drill the two holes in our wood, and I'll get back with you when that's done. Alright, we got the holes drilled. I'm sure everybody knows how to drill holes. We got the holes in the pick itself done, and we got the pins that we're going to use. Can you all see them pins there? We're going to use those little pins. Now, the rest of this stuff really doesn't matter none. Let me see, I put a weight there to keep the paperwork, to keep the paper down. So what we're going to do now is we're going to score the steel here so that the glue has something to stick to. I'll be back with y'all on that. Alright, now what y'all have been waiting for. We're going to glue this baby up to the best of our ability. I hope everything works out here. Just hope this works out. Alright. What we're going to do is we're going to grease up this here.
Instead of 5 that we've had in 50 years. 50 years. Think of that. More than 50 years, actually. In short, the American people launched the greatest mobilization of our society since World War II, deploying every scientific, governmental, medical, and military resource to defeat the virus. So I want to just start then.
Okay. Now we're going to put the the big pin in first. We're going to try to do, it works pretty good this time. How about that? Now we're going to do the small pin. Wow, that one worked pretty good too. It's almost scary sometimes how this stuff works out. And we're going to try to smooth this out a little bit. We're going to try to get this nice and smoothed out. And there you go, folks. That's how we glue her up. I hope you all saw everything. If not, I'm sorry. I always put 3 on. It's just the way I do it. You don't have to. And then as it dries, as we see it drying, I come back through just a little bit and clean off some of the excess. I don't know why I even do that, but I do. Kind of makes it smoother a little bit maybe or something. I don't know. But you can see that the pins are coming out on both sides. The pins are coming out on both sides. And it's just like I done last time. Just make sure that all of your holes are covered. Make sure that most of your excess from the top is gone so that you can clean that up later. And basically that's about it, man. And you can hope for the best. I mean, you know, I don't think it really matters which way you hold it or which way you... Oh, it's already starting to set up. That's good. That's a good sign. So, there it is. I hope everybody saw everything that I did. Because with gluing, you know, you got to kind of move quickly. And you got to kind of get her done, so to speak. But all I can say is make sure that your pins on both sides are sticking out, on the top and the bottom, if you put pins in there or not. You know, it's totally up to you. But there's the hook. And, yeah, just like in my other video, you'll see the after effect of when I get done with it. I'm going to inspect it myself here just real fast. You have to excuse me here a minute. I'm looking for air bubbles. And I don't think the air bubbles are coming out because you see it's already starting to set up just a little bit, which is good. And there it is, baby. Alright. I hope you guys learned something, and I'll talk to you all later.